So here is fanhoodle.com website. So what is that? So basically, there is also like a mobile app, and if you search for the app, so there is first like a separate Hoodle app, which is the app like a sport technology app, which helps teams win with video. Our iOS app allows you to study the video you uploaded or capture new video using your device. So basically, this is a separate app for coaches just to record videos and just practice with their teams based on the video analysis. But there is also a separate app which is like Hoodle Fan, which is kind of like a Netflix for sport teams for college sports in US. So everything you need to support schools, clubs, athletes, and teams. Find scores, schedules, highlights, live streams, tickets, and more all in one place. So yeah, here you can just basically find your favorite schools and clubs, follow your favorite athletes, catch every moment with live streams, schedules for every team, detailed game recaps. So everything in one place just to basically to follow sports for your like school competitions in US. And this is how the app looks like. You can see top videos, top highlights. Of course, then you can just bookmark them. You can search for different universities. And then, for example, here you can see like this university, which are upcoming events, which are highlights, which are past live streams. Then you can see the schedule. Then you can see different teams. So it's baseball, basketball, cross country, football, golf, ice hockey, lacrosse, soccer, softball, so swimming, diving, all types of sports you can see here. Then there is also like video. You can see all the video highlights. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And then you can also go and create your account with the that's basically how it works. You creating your account, and that's what it is. So pretty cool app. You can then just go to the website. I don't know how website is different, but probably the app is just better. But yeah, you can just enjoy watching these live streams from your so for example, here you can see that there will be some broadcasts from like high schools. Probably you have friends there, maybe you're studying there, and sometimes it can produce quite high quality sports. So yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, here you can also just follow for specific athlete. So you can just find some athlete. You can see all the events with that athlete. You can favorite it. You can cop like whatever. So that's basically what you have here. Yeah.